Check out this beautiful light. Yeah, but it also has a hidden secret. It's a fan. Hey guys, it's Karma DiMaradeo, and our friends sent out this beautiful flush mount light fan for us to test out. And we're gonna go ahead and do a quick install on it. It's very straight installation. We have a white to white, and we have a black to black. There is no ground in this, so you can go ahead and cap off your ground, and you can tuck that wire up out of the way. And then we're going to use the provided stainless steel cord here to hold this up, which is going to make life a whole lot easier when you're installing this fan. So now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to connect the white to white, the black to black, and then we're going to go from there. All right, as you can see, we have our wires connected. If you choose to leave that safety cable on there, you can leave it on there or you can take it off. However you do is fine. And then we're just going to slide up the cover, which has kind of like an L shape to it, and you're just going to lift it up and we're going to turn it to the left, and just like that, our fan is up. Pro tip, I had to take it down and put the lights in to reinstall it, because putting the lights in this way is doable, but it's a little bit more difficult. So now that we have everything on, again, the only tool you're going to need is that Phillips head screwdriver. We're just going to go ahead and slide this right in here, and we're going to tighten up the 4 screws that are around the edge. That is just going to hold the base and the cover together. So you just want to tighten those up snug. You don't need to over tighten them. And once that is done, we're going to go ahead and turn our power back on, because once the power is on, we can test everything to make sure that it is on. So go ahead and turn the power back on, and then let's confirm that everything is working properly on our fan, and we'll test out the lights and the fan and we'll see how it works. Okay. One last tip before we check out the fan to see how it's working is I grabbed a longer screwdriver to tighten up those 4 screws on the outside. I just couldn't reach it with my standard Phillips head screwdriver that I have, so I did go out and grab a long-handled flat head screwdriver. I just didn't have a Phillips head long enough. That'll just make a whole lot easier. Also, it comes with the instructions, the light manual on how to use it. You can actually connect this to your phone in an app, or you could just use the remote, but it's nice to have the versatility. And again, if you're unsure of the instructions, please go ahead and follow these instructions. All right, so the power is back on, so let's go ahead and turn the fan on. Ooh, we got the light on. Oh, that breeze is much needed. Okay, so when I was installing the lights, I noticed that there was different LEDs on it. So if you turn the light itself off, you can see we have a softer light, or we have the combination of the LEDs and the soft light, or we just have the bright white LEDs. So I got the fan on volume speed 4, speed 5, speed 6. It's definitely pushing out some air. That feels really nice. I don't know if you can hear that a little bit. It is really quiet, which I do like. It has this really cool feature here, which is the wave sound. You can push this button, and what that's going to do is it's going to make the fan increase speed and then decrease speed to kind of replicate like a natural breeze. Of course, you have forward and reverse for summer and winter, and then you have your speeds. Well, I do like the fact that there's this little sound button off. You push that, you hear the double beep. Now watch, when I turn the light itself off, it didn't beep, which I like, because if it's in the evening and you're laying in bed, the last thing you want to do is keep hearing this noise all the time, right? So overall, very standard, straightforward, easy install. I love the way it looks. I even like the way it casts the shadow on the ceiling. It looks really cool. Overall, I'm very happy with the light. So if you're looking for an awesome, easy to install light that doubles as a fan, look no further and go check out my friends.